I painted skies that left my mind. They were your design. I followed roads that won't take me home, but lead me to your side. There is a burning in the clouds. Take a deep breath in and step out from among those crowds. Let the feeling of realization.
Bloody hell. Run! I'm not putting my rods in there. I'll get mullered. Jesus, have you ever seen so many ducks? Imagine dropping your line in that middle of that water there. Oh my days. You get mullered. Eesh, 240,000 ducks. How do? Yeah, I'm on a syndicate lake, not too far from where I live. Nothing big in it. Nothing big in it. Just set up the bivvy. Just going to get my rods in now. Sun's coming out. I'll have to take my top off. But yeah, just fishing standard rigs, standard baits. Nothing special. Chuck them out and hope. Pub chuck if you like. Might do a bit of floater fishing tomorrow if it's nice. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, I think we're in. Yeah. We could just disturb a load of fish. Oh my days, it's going to take some lifting up this. Look at that beast. Oh, it's massive, look. What? Right, third run. Landed two, lost one. This one being the biggest of the three. Or the two, should I say. There you go. Not massive in here. Nice little commons and mirrors. Go to about £20. Good little winter water though, if you want to come for a winter fish. Fish number 3. I don't know, £6, £5, £6. More than welcome, that's for sure. I'll go and tell your big daddy and your big mummy I've got some food for them. Oh yeah. 7:30, it's just gone dark. And my right rod's away. Another common. I think we'll call this a commons pond. Because it's common as muck. There we go. Happy days. Nice common. Get it back. Well, I forgot my water. So Marcus of Polton kindly brought me some water down. What a guy. Carpy Grandad. You've seen him in my vlogs. And we're just having a brew and the bloody rod screamed off and it's a flipping wiggler. It's like Bounty but smaller fish. Right, it's going to behave now, it's coming up. There you go. Baubles Bounty too. Yeah, there's bonny fish. I've not had a mirror yet. They've all been commons.
I've had a couple of mirrors from here, not many.
Yeah. Another small common. Happy days. Here we go. Bricks everywhere. We're rescuing bricks everywhere. Another common. Wow. Would you have believe it? I just sat here minding my own business and a bloody big rat walked past my bivvy, looked in my bivvy and just carried on walking. So I just tipped my hat and said, evening. It didn't give a shit, it just kept walking by. Happy days. Oh, we're in again. Wrong one. Where is it? Wrong rod. It's this one. Silly sausage.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah.
Oh, another fish. This time it's a ghostie. Look at that. Beautiful, black eyes. It's a wriggler. Right, not messed about, let's get it back. Last head torchy divvy. Head torch on. And I don't fall ass over ticky. Bye bye ghostie. Return. Oh, bite time as well. Every time I put the kettle on I get a bloody bite. Is it a bream? Is it a bream or not? Shall we hit that? Go on, let's hit it. I've got something different this time. A fully scaled mirror. I'll have to take a screenshot of that. So, just about there will do. Boosh. Right, let's look at the other side. A beauty. Right, down to one rod now. Nightmare. Been taking me in that bush over there. I'll show you in the morning when it's light. I've lost two setups now. Straight in the snag, snap. So they know that snag's there because they head straight for it every time. I'm not saying it's bigger fish, but they were definitely stronger because they had me over there before you know it. So got to up my game now. I'm ready for them. One rod out now till morning. And then in the morning I'll set them up again and take it from there. See what happens. Okay. Morning world. Oh yes. First brew of the day, you can't beat it. Oh. Well. Oh, what a night. I ended up bringing all my rods in. Well, I only had one left because the other two were smashed up, so they stood up against the bivvy with nothing on them. And I was down to one rod. And then I got a fish, a carp, and I thought, do you know, sack it. I think it was about 1 o'clock this morning. Oh, it's fishing like mad out there. Don't know if you can see that. Let's zoom in. Just there in the middle, the dark bit in the middle of the screen, you can see that fishing. Yeah, so. Oh my god, look at that, it's like a jacuzzi. See if I can zoom in anymore. Yeah. Well, what's that? Right, yeah, so I brought that rod in at about 1 o'clock this morning and I woke up about 7:30 this morning. At least I got some sleep because I'm at work tonight at 9, so. Oh. Oh. Morning. Oh, that's nice. Anyway, you don't want to look at me, you want to look at the lake. There you go. Look at that fishing out there. Better clean my glasses and I can't see. There's a towel. Yeah. So I've only just recently joined this place. It's only cheap. And there's fish to about 23, something like that. There's not many over 20. There's only maybe a handful. And there's a hell of a lot of small fish in here. There is quite a lot of doubles, but there's a lot of low size, you know, under 8. and unfortunately you've got to wade through that lot to get to the bigger ones, because they're on your bait as soon as you put it in. I think what I might do here to try and target the bigger ones, which I'm not really bothered, because it's only this is a lake where you come to have a bit of fun, or a bending rod. So I'll just put that one rod out. It's bleeping already. I've just got one rod out, look. Let's zoom back a bit, there you go. Just put that out now, back out. So I've just got one rod out at the moment. That's the view of the lake. I say it's about 2 acres. About, deepest part's about 6 foot, but it has lost a lot of water. I bet it's lost 3 foot of water. Well, it's definitely lost 2 foot, that's for sure. Definitely. I've just found a new thing on my phone, dual recording it's called. It puts that little picture of me up there in the corner. Playtime. Oh. Well, I need to get my arse off this bed and sort my rods out, haven't I? Look at that jacuzzi there. Unbelievable. There is a bloodworm bed out there. I think that's more than likely what they're having a grub around in now. This time of morning. It's feeding time now. Or bite time, as they say. We shall see. Oh, that's first brew out of the way. Right, I'm going to sort that rod out and then have another brew. Catch you in a bit. Well, morning. That didn't take long, did it? I'd just finished my first brew and the only rod I had out screamed off. Look at that beautiful ghostie. Absolutely mint. Exactly the same on both sides, so I'm not even going to show you. Screenshot. Happy days, let's get it back. I reckon about £12. Second fish for today. Another little common. So yeah. Looks like it's carrying on from yesterday. Can't even get me porridge in peace. Another common. Can't believe how many commons are in this place. Right, I'm going to be going in a minute anyway. Calm down. This could be the last fish because I'm going shortly. But there you go. Yet another common. The common's pit. God knows how many I've caught now, I don't know, I've lost count. Who cares? Fish is a fish. Right, all tackled down now. Left nice and tidy. That's me done. Until next time.